Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video we are going to be looking at volume delta candles. Alright, it's actually one of the most underrated yet incredibly powerful tools for analyzing market strength. I don't know if you have come across this before. Let me just add it to the chart so that you can see it for yourself. The volume delta candles. Okay, here we go. Now you're going to see the difference. You can see that the candle is different from the traditional candlestick pattern that you know, right? So if you are struggling with fake breakouts, choppy price action, or just want to improve your edge in the market, then this video is for you. Okay, before we jump in, smash that like button and subscribe if you have not done that already. Let us just get straight into it. Okay, first of all, let us define what volume delta candles are. Okay, unlike traditional candlesticks that only show open, close, high and low prices, the volume delta candles add a new dimension, which is buying and selling pressure, or rather buying versus selling pressure. Okay, so each candle tells us how much buying volume versus selling volume occurred, within that period. When you have a green delta candle, it means more aggressive buying than selling. Okay, and then when you have a red delta candle, it means more aggressive selling than buying. All right, then when you have a neutral delta candle, it means buying and selling pressure we are nearly equal. Okay, so this gives traders an inside look at market dynamics just beyond just price movement. So now, how do you read volume delta candles? Well, reading volume delta candles properly is actually key to unlocking their full potential. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to be adding another version of the volume delta candles. Okay, if you want to make use of this strategy, you should actually use it effectively. Okay, one of the things about some of these indicators is that sometimes they have different versions. Yeah, and TradingView is a platform that has a whole lot of indicators and different versions of indicator. You might see one indicator, the same name, but you will see that it is quite different from another that is bearing the same name, right? They could have similarities, but there could be some features that are different. So for the purpose of this video, let us just add on this other volume delta candles indicator, because I want to show you something. Yeah, now reading volume delta candles properly is very, very important, and that is the reason why we are adding this other indicator, so that we can look at the negative and positive aspects. Okay, so when you have large green delta candles, yeah, it's like I said before, it indicates strong buying pressure. So if price is also rising and you have large green delta candles, it confirms an uptrend. Okay, then when you have large, in this case you can see that this particular indicator now, the color is not red. Okay, let us do a little experiment, or let us just go back a bit. You would see that this one uses red and green, but this one uses purple and green. Can you see that? You can see this one uses red and green, this one uses purple and green. Okay, so in the case of this other version, the reason why I added this one is because I want to talk about something here. Okay, that's the reason why I added this. Okay, so in this case, when you notice large purple delta candles or large red candles, depending on the coloring that you are using, it means heavy selling pressure, right? So if price is also falling, that signals a downtrend. So when you have price falling and you have those large purple candles, it actually signals a downtrend. Okay, then now we want to talk about divergence. That is the reason why I added this. Okay, when you have divergence between price and delta, for example, if price is moving up, maybe you have price moving up, but then if you look at this indicator window, maybe you look at the indicator window and then you notice, these bars, dominating in the negative territory. If you look closely, you're going to see that there is a positive territory above the zero level and the negative territory is below the zero level, right? So if price is moving up but the delta is negative, it could indicate a trap or weakening trend. All right, so you will see that there are times when these bars shoot to the top, there are times when it shoots to the bottom. Now, but you see that most of the times it is actually fluctuating within kind of a fixed zone, but there are times when you will notice an aggressive shoot. You can see like what happened here, an aggressive shoot, and guess what? You look at how price reacted. You can look at how price reacted. Okay, so if you see an increase in volume delta near support or resistance, it can signal a breakout or rejection. So it's also important to pay attention to your support and resistance levels, okay, because those levels, they play a very important role. If you have been taking support and resistance lightly, I think now is the time for you to start being serious with it. Okay, support and resistance levels are very important in different strategies. It's not just one strategy, actually different strategies. Support and resistance levels are very, very important. Okay, now many traders rely only on price action, but price alone does not always tell the full story. And volume delta shows the real battle between buyers and sellers in real time. Here's why it's crucial: because it confirms trend strength. A strong uptrend could actually have consistent green delta candles, right, while a weak trend might show mixed delta signals. Okay, and it also helps identify smart money moves. When institutions place large market orders, it creates noticeable volume delta shifts. All right, and it can help you avoid fake breakouts. If a breakout happens but lacks strong delta support, it might be a trap. Okay, so now let's talk about how you can apply this to your trading effectively. Here are 3 ways to use volume delta candles for better trade decisions. First of all, you can use it for trend confirmation. If you are entering a trade and when you're about to enter the trade, just check the delta to see if it aligns with price movement. Ensure you are having strong green candles. If you are using this, ensure that you are also having a domination of the green. All right, the green candles in this bar as well. Okay, green delta candles in an uptrend, strong buy signal. Red delta in a downtrend, strong sell signal. Okay, and then for reversal identification, if price hits a resistance level and you see increasing red delta or purple coloring in this case, then it means that sellers are stepping in, signaling a potential reversal. Then in terms of breakout validation, if price is breaking out of a key level, just check if volume delta is also increasing. Yeah, if not, the breakout might be weak and likely to fail. So volume delta candles give traders an unfair advantage by exposing the real buying and selling pressure behind price movements. Okay, whether you trade forex, stocks or crypto, adding volume delta analysis to your strategy can help you avoid weak signals and make more confident trade decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you use volume delta in your trading. That is it for today. That is it for this particular video. I still have more videos coming up today actually. So stay sharp, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.